Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you an amazing way in which I discover that you can use to write your electronic book in less than 5 minutes. That means if you have been looking for a means in which you can use to write your ebook without stressing yourself and get it delivered within 5 minutes, then this place is a perfect place for you to come and explore. Before we continue, my name is Basi Ejubajon. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel I talk about education and entertainment in Nigeria and all over the world. That means if you love any of this content, kindly click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I upload a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create an ebook in less than 5 minutes and in an amazing way. So the first thing we go to do is you go to any browser of your choice. For me, I use Google Chrome, so I come here and I choose Google Chrome. My Google Chrome is open, and what I have to do is I dial in this keyword as you can see on the screen: ebookmaker.ai, and I send. I allow it to load, and it's gonna give me an interface. So this is my ebookmaker.ai on the screen. So as you can see, it says generate your ebook with just one click. So you can see that no credit card is required, and it can show you how you can create your ebook, how to create your ebook with AI, profit, train and inspire people. What you just have to do is you write the title and the subject of the ebook, you click on your generate ebook, and you download your ebook. Just this simple step on how to create your ebook using ebookmaker.ai. So what you just do is create my ebook. Now you click on it and allow it to load. It's going to tell you, give you a platform where you can register, an interface where you can register. So allow it to load. It's been a long time, guy. I uploaded a video on my channel. I've been busy with academics, a lot of procrastination to continue, but I am back with a lot of value. So what you have to do is either you can sign up with your Google account, or you sign up with your name or your email and you register. But if you want to make it to be very fast, what you just do, you have to sign up with your Google account. I love using Google account because it doesn't require me to start putting my password. It doesn't require me to start filling my names and stuff like that. With just my Google account, I am free to continue. So what you just do, you have to choose the Google account of your choice, and you click on it and you allow it to load. So give it some time. You can see on the screen. So creating your ebook has now been made very easy with the use of ebookmaker.ai. As you can see, it says welcome. So one thing about this ebookmaker.ai is that it's gonna allow you create your ebook by providing the basic information, the ebook information, and you generate your ebook. When you sign up, you'll be given a 1 credit in which you can use to create your ebook. That means it is free at first sight, but if you want to continue subsequently to continue using it, then that means you have to subscribe, as you can see here. So what you just have to do is you choose your language, which is, my language is English. You choose the ebook author. Let's choose my name, right? Or let's say, yeah, let's use my name. Let's just use Peter James. Let's just allow it at Peter James. So what you do is you click on next. So know that this ebook maker is powered by ChatGPT. So, and it's ChatGPT 3.5 version, not ChatGPT 4.0. So as you can see, for example, you can see that it's powered by ChatGPT 3.5 version. So what you have to do is you click on write title. As you can see, you have to first of all write the title of your ebook. Let's see, the title of my ebook is How to Fight Sakpa. How to fight Sakpa. So that is the title of my ebook. What you have to come after writing the title of the ebook, you come and you scroll down to give a ebook description. But if you don't have a description, this ebook maker has make it so easy and accessible that you can just click on the generate description option, and it's gonna generate an automated 3,000 description for you at a glance. So let's wait for it to generate. As you can see, this is your description, but you're supposed to only have a 3,000 description, but it's giving us more than 3,000. So what I will just do is I can decide to click here and start deleting them, and start deleting some words. As you can see, let's see. So I want to delete some words until I will have a 3,000 words. I'm going to delete them. Sorry for the size of my screen. Subsequently, we are going to upgrade, but for now we'll continue like this. So I'm going to get a 3,000 words. I'm deleting them. I'm going to get, so let's check whether I've gotten the 3,000 words. Okay, I'm still left. Let me continue the deletion. So you are supposed to only give a 3,000 description and no more than, so that the AI will be able to process it. So continue. Let's continue deleting. You delete and check. So let's check again. Okay, let's still continue deleting. We're almost there. Let's delete. Please, if you are watching this video to this particular extent, please kindly click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I upload a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. Please don't forget to share my video. It's as important as every other thing. So I think let's check again. Okay, we have gotten. So what you have, after giving the description, you have to click on next. So it's going to ask you whether you want a bibliographic reference, whether you want to reference a source or you just want to continue. If you want a reference, you can click on reference. You can click on this box. If you don't want, you can just click on create ebook, and it's going to give you your ebook at a glance. So this is just it. Let's click on it. Let's see what it's going to give to us. So it says our artificial intelligence is assembling each page to ensure that your book is unique and of high quality. So it's going to email you that your ebook is ready. So you can see that your ebook is already ready. You just give it some time, like for 5 minutes, and your ebook will be ready. So if you find this process and if you find this so helpful, please don't forget to click on the red subscribe button. Share this video to your friends so that I will continue growing. Until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.